Are you new to the whole crafty scene and do you need a couple more ideas to get you into it? Hi, I'm Lydia from Altenew, and I know that starting in this crafty scene can be a little bit daunting. There are so many beautiful projects out there and you just don't know where to start. Today I'll be sharing 5 easy card ideas for beginners to hopefully get your crafty juices flowing. Number 1 is minimalist stamping. Now, you don't always have to add lots of stamping or colouring to your projects to make it pretty. Try creating fun monochromatic cards. These cards by Lori are so beautiful with their clean and simple design. Once you have this design mastered, you can always kick it up a notch by colouring the images or even ink blending the background too. Number 2, ink blending with stencils. Again, we have another gorgeous card by Lori with minimal stamping. You can change the look of this card by just changing out the ink colours. Try using more muted cool tones for an autumnal look or blue hues for a winter feel. Number 3. Easy watercoloring. Now, watercoloring doesn't have to be hard or take a lot of time to look beautiful. Creating fun backgrounds with watercolor can add a unique look to your projects. This card by Amber features a beautiful watercolor background that you can easily create using multiple or minimal colors to change the look. Number 4, using ephemera. So not all handmade cards need to include stamping. You can create amazing projects just by using pattern papers and ephemera. Here, Amber shows how to create a fun, quick and easy card just using a few pre-made elements and a piece of pattern paper. Number 5, using a pre-made background. Now, this can either be pattern paper or washi tape, so then you don't even need to worry about the background. Therese shows by just adding a few sentiments and a simple stamped image, you can create a simply stunning handmade card. We hope that this video has inspired you to grab out your supplies and start creating some beautiful pieces of art. If you do need any more inspiration, please check out our blog and you will sure to find lots of beautiful pieces there. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautifully crafty day. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!